Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your Etoro account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your Etoro account's password, then you can easily do this with your mobile device or from your computer. Simply open up your Etoro application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. Now, tap Settings from the expanded menu. Click on Account from the options and right where it says Password, tap the Change button on the right-hand side. Enter the current password for your account in the first text box. Now, on the next field, enter the new password you are trying to change to. Confirm the password on the last box by retyping it again. Once the passwords match, tap the Submit button to update or change your password for your Etoro account. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Etoro account right from your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.